Welcome to the farm. Here in the Amazon, we're proving that crocodile breeding can be both sustainable and essential for the ecosystem.
As you can see, the osteoderms here are flawless. We'll grade this as a premium select based on the belly run. After the harvest, we immediately pack the skin in coarse salt. This curing process is essential to maintain the integrity of the scales.
Ensure the straps maintain tension throughout the journey. Any shift could damage the lower bundles. Log the temperature hourly.
The key is maintaining consistent tension across the entire width. Watch the alignment here.
Right, keep it centered.
Exactly.
Exactly.
That prevents shifting and creasing during transport.
Close to twice.
It's a long haul to the factory, almost 3 days. Watch for the rains near the second checkpoint.
Understood.
We ensured the delivery was exactly on schedule, Elevation.
Excellent. We'll sign off on the manifest now.
We mark this as a Class B imperfection due to the inconsistent pigmentation right here. It affects the final yield.
We need to ensure the humidity stays below 40% in this section.
Right, otherwise the collagen fibers might degrade prematurely.
Agreed. Keep monitoring the sensors.
So for the next phase, we submerge the skins completely in this solution for 72 hours.
And the temperature needs to...
Look at the consistency of the glaze. This is the mark of superior quality, providing incredible durability against wear and tear.
This particular hide is flawless, sourced from the finest farms in Africa. Notice the detail in the stitching.
It's truly exquisite craftsmanship. As you can feel, the scales are incredibly supple, sourced only from the finest sustainable farms.
It's exquisite. The craftsmanship is remarkable.
We carefully inspect the skin for imperfections. This is the first step in the preservation process.
We are hydrating the crocodile skin now. It needs to be fully submerged in the water before we can start the cleaning process.
We must be meticulous. Any residue compromises the longevity of the hide.
Understood.
Ensure it is perfectly clean before moving on.
The key is maintaining that consistent angle. As you can see, the machine separates the membrane cleanly from the skin, leaving the scales intact. This step right here is essential. We have to meticulously scrape away all the remaining tissue before the hide can accept the tanning solution. This process removes any remaining impurities.
We have to ensure the drying is perfect before we start the preservation treatment.
Absolutely, otherwise the quality suffers.
The key is detecting these minor imperfections early. This scratch, for example, would compromise the final product during preservation.
This compound stabilizes the collagen fibers. You must maintain this exact thickness across the entire surface.
Understood. What's the dwell time for this specific solution?
Treated hides require a 48-hour hang time at 85% humidity. This ensures the pliability before the glazing process. The belly scales feel exceptionally dry. The moisture content is exactly where we need it for storage.
We maintain strict control over the temperature here. Proper air circulation around the stacked skins is essential to prevent.
We examine every hide meticulously for imperfections. The preservation hinges on the uniformity of the scales and the tanning process.
We categorize these based on the belly scales and the overall uniformity. The flawless skins are reserved for high-end manufacturing. The process starts here in the vat. We use traditional techniques refined by modern chemistry to treat these crocodile skins perfectly. This solution ensures the durability and deep color penetration of the skin. By utilizing this modern equipment, we've dramatically sped up the tanning process for these skins, ensuring industrial precision and high quality. Maintaining the precise temperature is crucial here. If the heat fluctuates, the skins can be damaged or the absorption won't be uniform. We are very careful during the neutralization phase. The next step involves the introduction of the tanning agents, which stabilize the collagen fibers. The skin must be dried at a controlled temperature to preserve its softness. The importance of checking for any remaining imperfections in the skin, gently pressing down on the skin's surface. We use this softening solution to maintain the skin's suppleness, which is absolutely crucial for the final product's quality. The conditioning process is vital. We work the solution in by hand to maintain the skin's natural texture and suppleness. This solution penetrates deep into the fibers, ensuring the crocodile skin absorbs it evenly, which drastically improves its flexibility. The texture is superb now. We finally achieved that perfect, supple finish we were looking for. The key is in the finishing. We ensure the scales are perfectly supple with this deep, consistent luster. We hang them here for several weeks, monitoring the humidity closely to ensure uniform drying and prevent any cracking.
Each skin is categorized here based on quality. This lot is ready for further processing according to the specifications we've established.
We examine the center cut, focusing on the uniformity and flawless finish of the scales around the umbilical section. We follow the natural pattern of the scales. This ensures the leather lays flat and maintains its integrity. The key here is following the natural grain. If you rush this, you lose the texture, and that compromises the final product's integrity. We inspect every scale. The grading here determines the cut. This flawless center is ready for the first stitch. You must maintain consistent tension here, especially around the scales.
See how the needle pierces the leather cleanly. Yes.
Precision is critical in luxury goods. We align these crocodile pieces by hand to ensure the pattern is seamless before the stitching begins.
As you can see, the double stitching reinforces the seam, making it incredibly durable.
The key to discerning high-quality crocodile is the consistency of the tile pattern and the depth of the color. Note the alignment here.
The grain on this piece is exceptional. Note the uniformity of the scales and the precision of the saddle stitching here at the seam.
So when selecting the skin, we focus on the uniformity and thickness of these belly scales. I use the stylus to define the cutting edge. We have to follow the natural grain precisely. The aesthetic quality relies entirely on how well these patterns are matched. The key here is following the grain precisely, otherwise the texture is ruined. You need firm, even pressure.
To ensure the durability of this crocodile leather, every single stitch must be pulled tight by hand.
Folding the edges precisely like this and using the saddle stitch is crucial. This ensures the wallet's durability for years to come.
See how smoothly that moves? It's this kind of meticulous attention to detail that truly makes our products stand out from the rest.
The finishing techniques are critical. By carefully smoothing and buffing the crocodile scales, we really enhance the product's natural appeal and ensure its longevity.
The meticulous craftsmanship is evident in every stitch. We source only the finest crocodile hides.
Is this the Niloticus or the Porosus leather?
This specific one is Porosus, the finest we carry.
We inspect every millimeter. This texture, the stitching, it all has to be flawless before it ships.
A flawless finish is critical. By applying heat precisely, we eliminate any imperfections.
As you can see, the alignment of the scales and the tension on the zipper are checked by hand. This is the precision we demand.
The packing procedure is critical. We insert the wallet smoothly into the sleeve like this, securing it completely for transit.
We apply the tape precisely along the seam. This ensures the integrity of the package and the security of the leather goods during shipping.
We place the heavier boxes at the bottom, ensuring the weight is balanced on all sides. This prevents shifting during transit.
This specific tanning process takes weeks to achieve this depth of color and softness.
It's absolutely flawless. Do you have this style in blue as well?
We do, right over here.
The scales on this crocodile leather are meticulously matched, ensuring a flawless pattern.
Yeah.
It's incredibly durable, yet supple. The history of this particular hide is fascinating, but what truly sets it apart is the quality. See how the stitching here is absolutely flawless.
The interior is lined with the finest Italian suede, incredibly durable yet soft. Notice the precise stitching.
Notice the pliability here. Despite the scale, it's incredibly soft, isn't it?
Yes, it's beautiful.
The scales are hand-selected, and as you can see, the stitching is executed with micron-level precision. It takes our artisans weeks to complete just one.
We source only the finest Mississippi alligator hide. The durability is unmatched, as you can see by the flawless scales.
It's absolutely perfect.
What are the differences between the textures? Do you have matte options?
Yes, the matte finish is over here. This specific belt is Nile crop.
This piece is entirely handcrafted, as you can see by the detailed stitching here.
It's absolutely stunning. The color is perfect.
We recommend a specialized conditioner every few months to maintain the luster.
It feels incredibly smooth. Is it durable for daily use?
Absolutely, with the right care.
The secret to its longevity is in the tanning process. We use a specialized serum that penetrates. What is the recommended cleaning process for the crocodile skin? Does it require a special conditioner?
Yes, it does. This guide outlines the...
We take great pride in the craftsmanship. Every stitch is done by hand.
The quality is evident. This feels incredibly supple for crocodile leather.
Notice the flawless texture and the way the scales are hand-stitched.
Yeah.
It's incredibly durable.
It's exquisite. The craftsmanship is stunning.
Thank you so much. The quality is exceptional.
We appreciate your business.
Please enjoy.